What's up guys, Keegan here at KWI, and a question that I get a lot is, what other types of training do you need before you get on a job site? And that is, each different plant and facility you go to will have their own type of training, meaning your basic plus, your general basic plus won't work just at those places. They have their own training that you're gonna have to do, and the way you do that is going to basic plus facilities to get this training. Depending on the company or the plant you're at, the training can be hours long. I had a crazy experience one time. I was working a job in Port Arthur, and they needed me to take more tests for Valero. So I was like, all right, cool. They sent me to Port Arthur Basic Plus facility, and that has got to be one of the worst line experiences. I was in line for about 2 to 3 hours waiting just to get my registration ticket to go take training. So I got there, I waited in line for several hours, then I got my ticket, I went back to the big computer labs, and I sat there for like 3 to 4 hours doing training just for this facility. So just know, if you get into refineries or more complicated or dangerous facilities, there's going to be more training associated with that. Now, if you don't want to do that type of training or do all kinds of safety stuff that's really based on the computers and whatnot, you can go into boilers and paper mills. They do have safety programs there, but you're not going to be sitting at a computer for hours on end before you get into the facilities. They'll have safety training at the site before you go to work, but they won't have like refineries and pesticide plants will have. So keep that in mind next time that you are looking to go to a different job or facility. Just be prepared. You may have to do a little bit more training than what you're thinking. So hopefully that helps. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to be cranking out a lot more videos related to this content and what you guys want to see. Also, if you want to check out the Kentucky Welding Institute, we have a virtual tour on our website that you can look at instead of coming in person. Thank you so much, and catch you on the next one.